The next thing that I'm going to show you is in essence core of JavaScript best practices in writing code. If you remember when I was talking about the markup in CSS, I did something like this, unordered list, and I put all the code here. And I mentioned that this is a bad practice because it's a general statement and it's related to all unordered list elements. And then I put something like this. It was, I think, unordered list and top menu. So I kind of closed it. It was a closed module that relates only to the top menu. Well, there's something similar in JavaScript code, and that is called the global object. Well, a global object is an object that always exists in the global scope. And this means that in JavaScript there's always a global object defined. And in web browsers, when script creates global variables, they're created as a member of global object. So in essence, these variables will be available to global object. And we don't want that because they're going to pollute the global object. There's a way we can limit this and add some structure to our code. To limit the global scope, we will use immediately invoked function expression. The difference between immediately invoked function expression and function declaration is that it doesn't need this. So we don't need to call it. We just write it down and it will execute immediately. So let's write it. Okay, it looks like this. In essence, it's just a function without name and it executes immediately. But the benefits of this type of function expression is that it has limited scope and it doesn't pollute the global object. I will transfer this code from our function, from our company function to here. So let's move it down below. Okay, like this. So everything from here will be moved to this immediately invoked function expression. And we'll tidy up a little bit things and let's check out if it works. I will clear it, run it, and it works. So it's immediately invoked. Other benefits that are not connected directly to not polluting the global scope are reducing the scope lookups. So basically a small performance benefit when using immediately invoked function expression. Other small performance benefit is also minification optimization. So in essence, we're able to pass global objects into the anonymous function as local values, and minifier is able to reduce the name of each global object to one letter word. So you'll probably see something like this in the code that's minified and called as an immediately invoked function expression.